Hey guys, Shumate6 here again with another video tutorial for the 4th annual IJA Video Tutorial Contest. Today we're going to be talking about the background 1.5. Back 1.5 looks like this, and all it is a background with an extra 0.5 rotation on whatever finger you're doing the background on. So for this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to do it on the how to do 1.5 on the index finger, but you can do it on the middle finger, the ring finger, on the pinky finger, it's all the same. Okay. So as you can see, I start it and catch it like a normal background, but when I do the background, instead of immediately stopping the pin with my thumb and moving my hand so that it catches it, I will keep my hand in the same position and let that pin spin on that on the second phalanx, so on my finger, like so, with the finger slightly curled in, just in the normal position of a background basically, and you'll find that it will just automatically spin a little bit if you don't catch it. So a good way to practice this is just to let it spin and fall. So instead of catching it, don't stop it with your thumb and don't catch it in the 1-2 slot. Gently start the pin with a normal background and then let that pin spin on top of that index finger like so. Okay, so it does an extra 0.5 rotation. Doesn't really matter how many rotations it does, but that's why it's called back 1.5. The technique you're going to be learning how to do is just letting it get that extra spin. So you want to make sure that your hand is palm side so that it's perpendicular to the ground. Otherwise it won't really have anywhere to spin on. You're just going to let it gently do an extra rotation on there like so. Okay. There really isn't any trick to this. It's just you need to make sure that you don't take your thumb and stop the pin motion before it comes all the way around. Unlike the background, which is a 1.0 rotation, this will end up landing in the opposite direction that it was facing when you started. So if you had the cap facing away from you, it would end up with a cap facing you. That's one way you can tell that you're actually doing this trick correctly. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and thanks for watching.